Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Friends, today guys we are going to talk about guys how to disable auto screen in our Oppo phone. So friends, you want to disable guys your auto screen. So how can you disable it? In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I'm going to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disable your auto screen. Then I scroll it. So friends, you can see this type of setting in your oppo phone. So friends, you can see your display and brightness setting. Friends, tap here and guys scroll it, and guys you can see guys your auto screen. So you want to disable, so right side guys you can see this blue icon. Guys tap here to disable, then it will disable your phone. So when you will rotate your phone, it will not rotate it in your phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable auto screen in our oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.